Hello everyone, my name is Faulani Saulia, and today we are going to learn about substitution in systemic functional grammar. And I will explain you about how to identify substitution. Let's get started. Substitution is a relation between linguistic items such as words or phrases, or in the other word, it is a relation on the lexical grammatical level, the level of grammar and vocabulary or linguistic form. The kinds of substitution such as nominal, verbal, and clause. Let's see. Nominal substitution one or ones. The elements of nominal substitution are one, ones, and same. The substitution one or ones always function as head of a nominal group and can substitute only for an item which is itself head of nominal group. Look at the example below. A. My pen is too blunt, I must get a sharper one. The word one is the substitution for pen. B. I shoot the hippopotamus with bullets made of platinum because if I use leaden ones, his height is. In the sentence A, one is the substitution for pen. Hence, the full form of the sentence is my pen is too blunt. I must get a sharper pen. Whereas in example B, bullets is the head of nominal group leaden ones. The full form of the nominal group is leaden bullets. The verbal substitution in English is do. It operates as the head of a verbal group in the place that is occupied by a lexical verb, and it is always in the final position in the group. Here are the examples. A. Does John sing? No, but Mary does. B. I don't know the meaning of half those long words. And what's more, I don't believe you do either. The substitution do is almost always a neperic. It may presuppose an element within the same sentence as itself, so that there is already a structural relation linking the presupposed to the presupposing clause. Clausal substitution. The words used as substitution are so and not. There are three environments in which clausal substitution takes place, such as report, condition, and modality. In each of these environments, it may take either of two forms, positive or negative. Look at the example below. 1. If you have seen them so often, of course you know what they are like. I believe so, Alice replied truthfully. Here, so substitutes I know what they are like. The reported clause that is substituted by so or not is always declarative, whatever the mood of the presupposed clauses. Look at the example below. 1. Everyone seems to think he's guilty. If so, no doubt he will offer to resign. 2. We should recognize the place when we come to it. Okay, that's all from me. Thanks for watching everyone. See you.